Hi friends, today we are going to study exponents and powers. What is exponents? Exponents are shortcuts for multiplication. The word exponent indicates how many times a number is being multiplied by itself. Here I will write one example 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 how many times multiplied? 3 times. So 2 raised to the power 3, otherwise we can call 2 cube. Understood? In this case, the exponential form, the number which is repeatedly multiplied is called base. The number which is repeatedly multiplied is called base, and the number of times is repeated is called exponent or power. Understood? The notation of writing the product of rational numbers by itself several times is called exponential notation. These are the basic things about exponents. In this case 2 cube. Understood? Here base is equal to 2 and exponent is equal to 3. This is an introduction of exponents and power. Then they will give like this: find the value. Find the value means you should find the value. The question number 1, 5 cube. How to find the value of 5 cube? This means 5 is multiplied in 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are how much? 125. Is it? So the answer is 125. And the other question is find the value of 2 by 5 raised to power 4. 2 by 5 raised to power 4. In this means 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. Understood? Base should be multiplied 4 times. So the power is 4. That's why. So we should multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 as the numerator. And the denominator is 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125s are 625, 625. So the answer is 16 by 625. Understood? Next we are going to study express the following numbers as a product of powers of prime factors. First I will write one example, one question 72. They will give one number like this. We should express the following number, a product of powers of prime factors. So prime factor means what we should do? We should prime factor it. It is. So we should prime factor 72. We can divide by 2. So we will get 36. Is it? Then 36 also the prime number with 2. Divide and you will get 18. Again 18, 2, 9 will get 9, 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. So factorization finished over here. Is it? So the product we should write like this: 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we got the required prime factor product form. Is it? So we should write 2 how many times is there? 2 in 3 times. So you should write 2 as base and 3 as the exponent or power. Multiply. In this case 3 is in 2 times. Is it? So 3 as base and the exponent is 2. In this way we are doing expressing the numbers as the product of powers of prime factor. Next we are going to do one simplification. Okay. They will give like this question: simplify. So 2 into 10 square. Otherwise 10 raised to the power 2. That means 2 into 10 square means 10 into 10. Is it? So 2 into 10 tens are 100. So 2 into 100 200. In this way, you should simplify. Okay. The other question is, they will give like that, minus 2 the whole cube. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Understood? Minus 2 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2, it will get 4. So minus 2 minus in multiplication, it will go plus sign. Is it? So 4 into minus 2. 4 2s are 8 and we should put negative sign. So the answer is negative 8. Understood? Next we are going to study multiplying powers with the same base. In this case, what we will do first, we have the laws of exponent. The first exponent is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. What you should do, note the bases is same and the sum of the exponent. That's all. Understood? So let us do one example. 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 4. Look at the question. The bases are same. The bases are, base is 2, is it? And the exponent is different. So what we should do? Just add the exponent. 2 raised to 2 plus 4. Understood? So the answer is 2 raised to 6. In this way, we are doing multiplying the powers with the same base. Let us do another example. 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to 3. In this case, bases are same. We'll just add the exponent. Is it? So 10 raised to 4 plus 3. The answer is 10 raised to 7. Understood? Let us do another example. 3 raised to 5 into 3 raised to 6. Bases are same. So what we should do? Let's just add the exponent. So 5 plus 6. So the answer is 3 raised to 11. In this way, we are doing the bases are same. Next, we are going to study dividing powers with the same base. Let us do one example. The question number 1, 3 raised to 7 divided by 3 raised to 4. In this case, the bases are same. Powers are different in division. Understood? So, we will do a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. We should apply this law of exponent. In this case, 3 raised to 7 minus 4. 3 raised to 7 minus 4 is 3 raised to 3. Understood? Let us do another example. 5 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 2. So, the bases are same. Powers are different in division. So, what we will do? 5 raised to 6 minus 2. So, 5 raised to 4. Understood? And the another example is 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 2. So, bases are same and the exponent are different in division. So, what we will do? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. To 10 raised to 6 minus 2. So, the answer is 10 raised to 4. Understood? So, we studied these two laws and applied division and multiplication. Understood? So, all of them do. Thank you.